I-94 is a major connector for Michigan, with it being the east-west corridor. It carries approximately 43,000 vehicles every day, and with that, 35% of it is commercial traffic. So not only is it a major corridor for commerce, but it also is for tourism and also for our daily commuters. If anything were to happen with the bridge here, all of those things could be impacted.
The bridge was built in 1960. Last major work was in 1981 when they renewed the concrete surface, replaced the barrier. It received no other real work until 2009 when they placed the current asphalt overlay with membrane on it to waterproof the deck. It's been rated in poor condition since 1998 based on the deck bottom condition.
M-140 and I-94 corridors mean transportation in and out of the city, basically. All commerce leaving and going into the city. As the way the city's set up, it's a 1 square mile city. On the north end of town, the city is divided by the Pawpaw River, which limits our ways of getting transit in and out of the city. So we're extremely depending on I-94 and M-140 for basically getting in and out of the city and on the north and south ends.
Quick estimate on this would be 12.5 to 13.5 million. Part of the reason for that is we have to construct crossovers. When the interstates were built, I think they thought that they could do maintenance and repair things with a single lane closure. In some places we can still do that. I-94, a single lane per bound, long term, is simply not an option.
People may start to avoid this area, and we would see less people visiting this great part of the state.
It would be devastating to our businesses, local businesses, larger businesses. On the corridor here, which is basically motels and fast food, I-94 feeds them. I mean, they would not exist without I-94.